Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat notifications not working on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, check iPhone notification settings for Snapchat. Go to settings on your iPhone, then search for Snapchat. Tap on it. After that, tap on notifications. Make sure allow notifications is turned on and enable lock screen banners and sounds so you don't miss anything. Next, take notifications inside the Snapchat. Open Snapchat, go to settings and tap on notifications and make sure notifications for Snapchat and stories are enabled. Now turn off focus or do not disturb mode. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open control center. Focus or do not disturb is on. Turn it off. This mode can block notifications. Next, restart your iPhone. Restarting clears temporary glitches that may stop notification. Turn off your phone. Wait about 30 seconds and turn it back on. Now update the Snapchat. Open the App Store, search for Snapchat and install any available updates. Update often fixes notifications problem. If notifications still don't work, log out and log back into Snapchat. Just refresh your account connection and can solve notifications issue. And that's it. This step should fix Snapchat notifications not working on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.